Usborne wind-up race cars. We're going to show you how it goes.
This is a fun book where the girls can wind up these little tiny cars. I'd say anyone over the age of 3 could definitely wind these up by themselves, but it's a great book for any age. It's really fun and interactive. Very popular in the Usborne world. She doesn't want to wind up her car. But as you can see, there's these tiny little grooves inside each page. And the cars fit right in there, these little notches. So there's a tiny little wheel here. And they usually stay right on in there as little grooves. And each page also includes a little story, or how fast they need to go, or how to change their tires. This is a little pit stop area. Red car here, yellow car here. This would make a really great gift. Birthday, Christmas, any kind of gift. A child would really love these. The cars come included. And it's ready to play as soon as you get them out of the box. There's 3 tracks that you can race on. All of them are different. Ready, set, go!
Yeah.
Also in the series is a ladybug, there's a train, all different kinds of wind-ups that you can play with. Check this out on my website, www.p4560.myubam.com. Thank you.
Bye.